Hello everyone! Thank you for choosing CTC Electronic. Today I will show you how to install a bus-to-wire kit for one-button door station. Let's see what is inside the box. Over here we can find our door station, one-button door station. This is the one-button door station with the wall rain shade mount. The manual is also included. Additionally, you can find the flash mount accessory in case you want to place it on the wall. You can also find a power supply that is necessary for supplying the system. This is the model NGV 400. And finally, you can find the 7-inch Orion Vision monitor. The manual of operation of the monitor is also included. Now let's proceed with the process of installation. At this point, I have to inform you that there are two ways of installation. The first way is to power the lock by the power supply provided, and the second way is to power the lock using an external power supply. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will also need an electric strike. And for the second way of installation, we will also need an external power supply, VT12. As all bus systems, there is no polarity. No polarity means that the order we plug in the cables is not important. Now let's begin with the first way of installation, with power from the system. First, we connect the bus terminals of the door station to the output of the power supply. We continue by doing the same procedure for the monitor as well. Bus terminals of the monitor to the outputs of the power supply. For the electric lock, we connect the two wires of the lock to the ground and lock 1 terminals of the outdoor unit. The J3 connector jumpers, the J1 and J2 pins. After we are done with the installation, we power on the system. Once we have powered on the system, we are ready for testing. Now let's continue with the second way of installation, with power from the external power supply. First, we connect the bus terminals of the door station to the output of the power supply. We continue by doing the same procedure for the monitor as well. Bus terminals of the monitor to the outputs of the power supply. For the electric lock, we connect the one wire of the external power supply, VT12, to VCC output of the door station. We connect the other wire to the one wire of the electric lock. It is important that we insulate the system using some electric tape. Finally, the other wire of the lock is connected to lock 1 output of the door station. Please do not forget to jumper the J3 connector to the J2 and J3 pins. After we are done with the installation, we power on the system. Once we have powered on the system, we are ready for testing. I press the call button on the outdoor unit and the indoor unit will display the image and ring. I press the talk button to intercom with the visitor. If I want to unlock the out gate, I press this button. Finally, I press the unlock button to release the electric lock. I press the auto call button in case I want to turn on the camera without a visitor's call. Thank you for choosing CTC and I hope you enjoy your video door system.